This is simplifying radicals part 2. What we're going to look at now is how to simplify a radical if there is a number in the front of the radical. So to start off, you're just going to ignore the number in the front and you're going to simplify the radical just like we talked about in part 1 of the video. So you're looking for a perfect square that goes into 60. So 60 is 15 times 4. So I can break it apart as the square root of 4 times the square root of 15. The square root of 4 is a perfect square. So when I do the square root of that, I get 2. So what we end up with is 2 square root of 15 when we break down to 60, but there's still the 11 in the front. So what you now have to do is you multiply the 11 by the 2 numbers on the outside, and my final answer would be 22 square root of 15. Let's just look at one more example. If I break apart the 27 using a perfect square, I know that 27 is 9 times 3. So this is the square root of 9 times the square root of 3. So that would turn into 3 square root 3. Just going to bring the 2 down in the front, and I'm going to multiply the 2 numbers on the outside now to get my final answer. And now we get 6 square root 3. So that is how you simplify a radical if there is a number in the front of the square root sign.